Welcome to our introduction to General Mobile Radio Service, or GMRS, and amateur radio, commonly known as ham. These popular radio services offer reliable communication for a variety of purposes. GMRS is typically used for short-range communication, perfect for family outings, recreational activities, and even business operations. On the other hand, ham radio is celebrated for its long-range capabilities, allowing operators to communicate across cities, countries, and even continents. Operating on UHF frequencies, GMRS radios provide clear signals in diverse environments, making them ideal for outdoor adventures, urban settings, and areas with obstacles. Meanwhile, ham radio taps into a broader spectrum, including HF, VHF, and UHF bands, facilitating everything from local chats to international contacts. Both services not only offer practical benefits, ensuring communication when cell phone coverage is spotty or absent, but they also foster a vibrant community of users who connect, share knowledge, and participate in group activities. Whether you're looking for a dependable communication solution for everyday use, or eager to dive into the expansive world of radio communication, understanding GMRS and ham radio's features is crucial. By assessing your needs and preferences, you can select the radio service that best suits your requirements. Let's explore the licensing requirements for operating GMRS and ham radios. Obtaining a license is essential before you can legally operate on these frequencies. The process to secure a GMRS license is relatively straightforward, involving a simple application through the Federal Communications Commission, or FCC, with no exam required. This makes it accessible even to those with limited technical knowledge. Once obtained, the GMRS license grants you the authority to legally use GMRS frequencies and operate the associated equipment. In contrast, a ham radio license requires passing an examination that tests your understanding of radio theory, regulations, and operating procedures. There are 3 classes of ham licenses: Technician, General, and Amateur Extra, each offering increasing levels of frequency access and privileges. The Technician license, being the entry level, covers basic radio theory and operations primarily on VHF and UHF frequencies. The General license expands access to additional frequencies and operating modes, while the Amateur Extra license provides the most extensive privileges, covering all amateur radio frequencies. The rigorous licensing requirements for ham radio ensure that operators are well equipped with the necessary knowledge and skills, helping to prevent interference and promote responsible radio operation. In emergency situations, the ability of different radio systems to communicate, known as interoperability, is crucial. Both GMRS and ham radios play critical roles in disaster relief and emergency communication. GMRS radios enable seamless communication within a group or family and, in emergencies, allow users to contact local authorities or emergency services. However, their interoperability with other radio systems might be limited. Ham radio operators, on the other hand, are exceptionally prepared for emergency communication. They have the knowledge and equipment necessary to establish communication links when other systems fail. Operating on various frequencies, including those designated for emergency use, ham operators often volunteer their skills and resources to provide vital communication support during crises. Interoperability between GMRS and ham radios can be enhanced using certain techniques. Some GMRS radios come with dual-band functionality, allowing operation on both GMRS and ham frequencies. Additionally, cross-band repeaters can facilitate communication between GMRS and ham users. This interoperability enhances communication capabilities during emergencies, enabling the sharing of critical information, coordination of rescue efforts, and providing assistance to those in need. While both GMRS and ham radio offer unique benefits, GMRS might be the preferred choice for many users due to its simplicity, affordability, and ease of use. The licensing process for GMRS is straightforward. No exam is required, making it appealing to individuals who need reliable communication without the complexities of ham radio licensing. The cost of GMRS radios and equipment is generally lower than that of ham radio equipment. This makes GMRS a more budget-friendly option for families and individuals. GMRS radios are designed for user-friendliness. They typically feature intuitive interfaces, simplified controls, and pre-programmed channels, making them easy to operate, even for those with limited technical experience. This ease of use makes GMRS an excellent choice for families with children or older adults who might find ham radio operation daunting. Furthermore, GMRS radios are readily available from various manufacturers, offering a wide range of options to suit different needs and budgets. Whether you need a compact handheld radio for outdoor adventures or a mobile radio for vehicle communication, you can find a GMRS radio that meets your requirements. The simplicity, affordability, and ease of use of GMRS make it an attractive option for individuals and families seeking reliable short-range communication. Choosing between GMRS and ham radio depends on individual needs, interests, and communication requirements. GMRS is an excellent choice for users seeking a licensed radio service that is easy to access, affordable, and user-friendly. It provides reliable short-range communication for various applications, including family outings, recreational activities, and business operations. Ham radio, with its extensive range of frequencies, operating modes, and technical challenges, appeals to hobbyists and individuals seeking to delve deeper into the world of radio communication. It offers opportunities for long-distance communication, experimentation, and participation in a vibrant community of radio enthusiasts. Ultimately, the best radio service is the one that aligns with your specific needs and goals. For those interested in learning more about GMRS and ham radio, numerous resources are available. The Federal Communications Commission (FCC) website provides comprehensive information on licensing requirements, rules, and regulations. The American Radio Relay League (ARRL) offers educational resources, training materials, and support for ham radio operators. Online forums and communities dedicated to GMRS and ham radio provide platforms for discussion, knowledge sharing, and connecting with fellow enthusiasts.